Here, what is the most important thing when you're solving these questions? Can anybody guess? Most important thing.
The directions, which is inbound, outbound, or radial. Right.
A neat labeled diagram. Okay. If you can, everybody draw this question with me. If you can draw a good diagram, you will automatically get answers. Okay. An aircraft is on heading 015 degrees. Heading is equals to 015 degrees. It has to maintain a track 10 degrees. Track to be maintained. Zero 10 degrees. It finds itself an RBI reading, relative bearing indicator reading is 169. Relative bearing indicator will show relative bearing, that is 169 degrees. At where? 120 nautical miles outbound away. Calculate DOT. Calculate heading correction. ठीक है. इसके साथ साथ I'll give one more question also. Final heading to fly. These are the three questions. ठीक है. Now, this is your north. Yes or no? So 010 track from A, or your departure looks like this. This is B. This is 010. Yes or no? Okay, it looks like this. But as students of Dr. Peloton, we are not just solving numericals, we are imagining we are sitting in the aircraft. Okay. So for all purposes, I'll always draw a track like this and I will label it as 010 degrees. Understood everybody? ठीक है यार. Now, see, the aircraft was somewhere here, which is like 120 nautical miles away. And this is your departure or A, and destination is 60 nautical miles away from this position. So this is B. समझ में आए everybody? ठीक है. Now, let's say the aircraft has deviated to the right side of the track like this. ठीक है. ठीक है. और let's say the aircraft is maintaining the track. ठीक है. But उसका heading क्या है? Heading is 15 degrees. That is 5 degrees to the right of the track. है ना? So if the aircraft is at 120 nautical miles and maintaining a track, this is 015 degrees. What is the relative bearing? See, this is 5 degrees. So this will also be 5 degrees, because if there are two lines like this, if this is 5 degrees, this also will be 5 degrees. Yes or no? ठीक है. So nose to tail in total is 180 degrees, but you want nose to station, right? You want only this much, the black line, this much. So 180 minus this 5. So what will be my relative bearing if the aircraft is on track?
175.
Very good. 175 degrees. Now, what is the relative bearing he gave? क्वेश्चन में कितना दिया था? 169. So that means the aircraft has deviated. Let's say the aircraft has deviated to the right side. See, this is a parallel track which is also 010. If I draw true lines, if this is 010, this is also 010, no? Okay. So on this, the aircraft, if you assume like this, and you join A and the aircraft. Now, will this be less than 175 or will it be more than 175?
More than 170.
Say more than 175. So the relative bearing is less than 175. So did it deviate to the right side of the track? No,
No,
right?
sir.
So it deviated to the, so just note down, it deviated to the left side of the track. Everybody understood why? Yes? Can I rub this? Okay. I'll just keep this button. Now, on the left side of the pilot, draw a parallel track like this. So this is also 0, 1, 0 degrees, and the aircraft is heading, you know, 15 degrees. इधर तक समझ में है? ठीक है? Now, if you draw a line between A and the aircraft, ठीक है? Nose to station, that is your relative bearing. Yes or no? How much they have given?
160.
169 degrees. See, if this is 10, this is 15, how much this angle is? Either A angle कितना है? Like this one, 5 degrees. So this is 5 degrees. If this is 5, this is also 5 degrees. Yes. Nose to tail is 180. This is 5. This is 169. If you subtract 180 minus 5 and जो भी आया उससे 169. So how much this angle would be?
6. So 6 degrees.
Very good. So 6 degrees. If you draw two parallel lines and you cut a line like this, if this is 6 degrees, how much is this angle?
660.
It is also 6 degrees. So that means what is the track error? 6 degrees. समझ में है? Very simple, no? ठीक है? So track error is 6 degrees. Now I want to find out how much it got deviated. Distance of track. You have A. Distance gone is 120 nautical miles अभी तक, है ना? So A is equals to DOT by DG into 60. Angle is 6 degrees. Distance of track I want to find out. Distance gone is 120 into 60. So 0, 0, 6, 6 gone. Distance of track is equals to 12 nautical miles. So you are deviated by 12 nautical miles. Everybody got it? Understood? So DOT इसका आंसर है 12 nautical miles. ठीक है. Now let's find closing angle. Closing angle is nothing but this angle. संचारी take a look here. ठीक है, this is closing angle. Okay. So again A is equals to distance of track by now distance to go into 60. Closing angle I want to find out. Distance of track came out to be 12. Distance to go is 60 nautical miles into 60. So closing angle is how many? 12 degrees. This is 12 degrees. So total correction is equals to track error plus closing angle. So that is 6 degrees plus 12 degrees is equals to 18 degrees is the wrong answer. Can somebody say what is the right answer?
Starboard.
Very good. 18 degrees to the right. Because the pilot, you always are the pilot in the aircraft, right? You are right. So correction should be 18 degrees towards the right. Starboard. समझ में है? Now, heading correction 18 degrees starboard. Final heading to fly. Abhi, see, you understand if the aircraft is deviated to the left, that means there are winds like this. Yes or no? The pilot is trying to correct by just giving it 5 degrees. He needs to give 18 degrees more. ठीक है? So final heading to 5. जो भी अभी है 15 degrees plus 8 degrees because it's a starboard ना, that's why plus 18. ठीक है? ऐसा clockwise में ऐड हो जाता है. So how much? 0, 3, 3 degrees because heading was true. समझ में है? ठीक है? Easy or no? The only thing is, can you draw a diagram which is really neat and good? ठीक है? हैंड राइटिंग वाइज ना समझ में आना है.